my name is 𝗛𝗂𝗹 and I'm from Community World Service Asia. We are based in Pakistan and Afghanistan. It's a women-led development, advocacy and humanitarian organization. I think it's a very good idea when you're doing something so extensive, because the workshop that we were doing was on FATF. It's a bit technical, tends to get, a bit overwhelming at times. So it's a very good idea that you sort of bring the participants to this secluded area where they can, sort of focus on the workshop, on the context more. So I think this gives us a very good opportunity to do that. So this was sort of the perfect setting for this workshop. CWSA has been in a long partnership with CCDB, and this is one of the reasons why we decided to come here. I think it honestly exceeded all our expectations. It's way better than any hotel that we've been to for our workshops. It was just amazing. From accommodation to food to, the workshop hall, venue, everything was taken care of. We actually just came in and just did our thing. Center itself meets all international standards. So it's a perfect venue for any workshop. Every other staff that was involved in making this workshop a success, we are going back really happy, and we'll have really fond memories of the CCDB Center. Thank you very much.